Hi, this is Shelley at Pals Ocala Auto Repair. What are we doing today, Jim?
Well, today I'm going to show you what goes into the glass replacement on some of these restoration jobs. This, for example, is off of a 48 Dodge that we're restoring. This, as you can see, has already been redone. But what has to happen is these got sent out because they were all pitted and bad, and we got a guy that was able to redo all the wood grain on there. This I restored the chrome and had to replace all the rubber in here and all the feltings, because this is what the glass used to look like for that vent over there. And here's a side window that goes up in here. Part of what has to happen with them is we've got these rails here that they run up and down on. These things need cleaned up, all the rust removed, and lubricated. This had scoring in it. We had to clean and polish it out and replace the glass. This is the original glass out of there. These old cars got laminated glass, and as you can see, will start to disintegrate between the two plates of glass. Plus, they also get cracked. So when you get done with it, you get this with all new felts and rubbers in there. So there's a bit of work that goes into it. People think you just throw glass in. And on top of that, it's also got the exterior trim. This is a trim off the driver's side, which hasn't been done yet. As you can see, I don't know if you can see it there, but you can see it's got adhesive on it and these old rusty rails. Well, them are supposed to look like this. Nice flush felts. This is the one off of the other one, and this will be the new one. And you can see these are all scratched and scraped and rusty. This one's been, I've already cleaned this one up, straightened it, polished it, and I'm getting ready to install this felts on there. Them felts are important because they keep the window from scraping when it goes up and down. So as you can see, it's not just simple throw in and out. You have to, there's a lot that goes into it, clean up and repairing and rebuilding. These, for instance, I didn't have. I had to make these.
So fabrication played a big
Oh,
role in
fabrications
this.
on everything. There's no such thing in restoration or customizing this direct fit.
Right.
So
right.
that's just an idea of what goes into it. This is just one window. So it takes me about a day for each window on this vehicle to go through and redo each piece.
Nice. Good job.
Well, we hope to see you soon with your window restoration at Pals.